Hello kids, welcome again. Today we are going to learn letter S. S is for snail. Snail. S is for snow. Snow. S is for snake. Snake. S is for sun. Sun. S is for spider. Spider. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. S is for sheep. Sheep. S is for salad. Salad. S is for seahorse. Seahorse. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.